Hey beautiful people, it's Cara J. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna primer using the Fenty primer. Yes, you must be wondering where have I been? I've been doing a lot of stuff. I've been having a baby. Raising that child. It's a lot. Now we're going with the black opal foundation, and this is an OG for me. It's like one of them foundation there that you can find at your drugstore. That's more unlikely gonna be your shade for women of color, and it blends in really nice. Some persons complain about it being a little reddish, but it works for me. As you can see, it's very skin like, and I tell you, I have bought other foundation where it gets gray on me and stuff. Now this particular foundation, it's not full coverage. I had to go in like multiple times to cover some pigmentation that I have, just some little spots. Now the not foundation, but the concealer that we're going to use today is the LA Pro concealer. You know, this is a famous concealer, and it will always be, because it's affordable and it's very accessible. You can find it in your drugstore, corner store, everywhere. Now I'm gonna blend out the concealer. Now I must admit and confess that I did use too much of the concealer, but never fear, your girl and her sponge is here. We're gonna blend it out, guys. We're definitely gonna blend it out. It took me a while to blend it out, but I did. I blend. So less is more, okay guys? Always start off with less, then work your way up if you need more under your eyes. I definitely need this, trust me, because I haven't been getting any sleep. Actually, this video is filmed 2 o'clock in the morning when all my babies are sleeping. So you know the dedication is real. I just wanted to put a video out so you guys know I'm still here, still wanting to grow, still trying. Now I did went with my foundation brush to blend out the edges of the concealer so that, you know, it does have like more of a seamless blend. So after this, I am going to set my eyes, and I'm setting with the Sacha Buttercup. I almost forgot what I set with, but yeah, this is an OG for me. I've been using it from ever since I started doing makeup. I love it, and I like to lightly set and then bake with like my Laura Mercier. So, you know, it toned down the brightness, especially since I use a lot of concealer under my eyes. I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier to set under my eyes, to bake, sorry. So I'm gonna set my overall face. I did not do that, so I have to do that. Yes guys, so we're definitely putting a lot of powder under there so we can go in with our shadows. So come on in. And this is the Magic palette from Juvias place. This is the mini one actually, and I'm going in with this as a transition color. Now the brush that we're using is the M353, something like that, brush from Morphe. Now this brush is affordable and it's good. I love Morphe brushes. I need to buy some more of it, especially the M507 and the M506. Comment down below which is your favorite brushes. Let me know. Now guys, I must admit that my blending game is not that great. Now this is the Masquerade palette, and I'm going with a deeper shade, and we're tapping that in and blending, tapping, going circular motions, and then blending it out. Guys, blending is key, and if you ever want to be better with eyeshadows and foundation and just your makeup overall, you definitely need to practice practice, try different products. Not every product that works for me may work for you. Just keep on trying different stuff, because you know, I was once where you're at, where I'm watching YouTubers and just to learn how to do makeup. And I'm not gonna say I'm perfect, because there's some stuff that I would like to improve on, but we got it. We're gonna work together. No, I'm going with the darkest shade in the Masquerade palette, and I'm just putting it on the outer V. Now, let me tell you, even though I am going to put a base here, concealer here, trust and believe, I did not need it. I did not need it for the shimmer that I'm going to put. I did not need it. And then I went in with a ColourPop shimmery eyeshadow base thing. I think it is cream eyeshadow. Sorry, it's a cream eyeshadow. I did not need it that either, because that shimmer from the Masquerade palette was just creamy. I did not know this. It was so creamy. This is a ColourPop. I did not need it, but I really love the color. And it's afterward, I was like, that shimmer from the Masquerade really covered everything. Like, I did not need it. That whole thing that I was going on with. But look at it, guys. It is so pretty. I think it's perfect for fall. Perfect for anywhere you're going, guys. It's definitely a simple glam look. And it's really easy. Like, you didn't even need to use so much shadow that I used. You could just go in with your transition and just go in with the shimmer and just call it a day. Do your eyeliner, lashes if you need that, and just let me know if you guys want to see like a simple glam look. Comment down below. Let me know. You know, everything goes down in the comments. You just gotta comment and let me know. Alright, so I'm going to use this black pencil and I'm going under my eyes, really, because I want like a base for when I go in with this dark brown from the Masquerade palette to blend, so it really sticks and stay there. Because I realize a lot of time when I put shadows under my eyes, it tends to just oxidize. Not sure if eyeshadow oxidize, but it just disappear, like just I don't know where it goes. But I realized this technique, especially when I want to smoke out my under eyes, it definitely does the job. So you could try that. And this is a face you make when you're gonna, you know, you gotta make this face. You gotta make this face, girl. That's what you're gonna get under the eyes, you know. Alright, so we're going to brush off all this powder. Yes, I look crazy. All this powder on my face. Alright, so I'm going to use the ABH contour palette. Medium tan, I think it is, or medium deep. I think it's probably more medium deep. And I'm just contouring my face. Now, the same problem that I have under my eyes with the just going away, I think I have the same problem with powder contour. So I think I'm gonna change that up a bit and just start to cream contour. I've never really cream contour, but hey, it's a learning process. I can learn, you can learn, and we're gonna bronze here. We're bronze, and I love this bronzer. It's the CoverGirl. I have two, and I think this is discontinued. Let me know if it's not, guys, in the comments, but I think it is, so I did stock up on two. Now I'm gonna line my eyes. I did not do this on camera. Nope, you girl did not. And add some mascara. Now the lashes, let's talk about the lashes. The lashes are from Kiss, and it's called Natural Nude. Yes, I believe it is. We're gonna set our face. You could use any setting spray that you like. Then we're gonna try to dry that up because it's a lot. It dries pretty fast. Then we're gonna line our lips. The video is moving real fast because it was a long video. The lip liner is from ColourPop. It's called BFF3. Really love it. I should just leave it like this, but no, I'm gonna add the NYX lingerie in Teddy, and I'm just gonna put my lips together, try to blend it together. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for not unsubscribing, and I hope this video is like I forgive you forgiving me, you know, type video, you know, like, you know, yes, I love this, look at me. It came out really good, honestly. In person it looks really good. And yeah, we're gonna highlight, and I'm using the Master Chrome. Why am I showing you guys twice? But yeah, I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter. Lately I've been realizing I am not so much into the highlighting game anymore. Let's see, maybe I just need a new highlighter. And I think this wraps up the look. If you're new to my channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, join the family, share with your friends, and all of that jazz. Let's go into the slow-mo. Peace, guys. Peace.